What up, everybody? It's your boy Mr. CEOs, man. I'm just here to let you know, when you guys grab your truck, make sure you know the dates that you have to get your safety done. Make sure you know the dates that you got to get all your paperwork in order year to year. These things are important. They can slip by you. Trust me, they can slip by you, but if they do, you're gonna get a big ticket. So don't let these dates slip by you, man. Safety is important. Make sure you get them done on your dump truck, your straight truck, your trailer, anything like that. And just so you guys know, this is on your door. So this is what's shown on your door, and it tells you what date that your sticker is up. Gives you all your information. So double check that, make a mental note, write it down in your book, do whatever you have to do, man. They're gonna take off your tires, they gotta check your brakes, they gotta check everything. And the system's different. It's not like before where they can just write up a paperwork and get it done for you. Now they gotta submit pictures and photos to everything. So guys, just make sure you get your stuff done. Be safe on the road out there. Avoid those tickets, avoid dangerous things falling off your truck. Get your lights fixed, get your engine oil checked, all them things, man. So just a tip for today, get your shit done when you have a truck. All right, signing out, man. Look more.